All right, guys, just wanted to make a quick video here. We had a lot of customers come in saying they can't get the door open. So a couple of things to check. If the door seems stuck and you don't have any cargo in there that's pressing against it, come over here, check your cables, make sure they're not bound up, make sure they're not disconnected. A little tension test, let you know. So if you still can't get it up, then what you do is you go to the top and put something in between the header and the board, press on it a little bit. That'll free up the door where you can disconnect. And I'll show you what the problem is. Usually whenever the door is stuck, at the top of the door you have these adjustments. In this one, the position that it's in allows it to be close against the header, which will seal the door and keep moisture out. So if this is too tight, you can just loosen it, slide it back. It'll free up the edge of the door. So hopefully that'll help in a quick fix. If you can't get the door open, if it's some other issues, bring it by. We'll take a look here at All Truck Fleet.